Hello students, your social science teacher Nirmala Agrawal. Now we will study the next topic, the Jacobin Club. This is the picture of the Jacobin Club, and there the leader is standing over there giving instructions. The leader of Jacobin Club was Maximilian Robespierre. We can see that in the picture. Political clubs. The Constitution of 1791 gave political rights only to the richest sections of society. To discuss government policies and plan their own forms of action further, political clubs became an important rallying point for people. धीरे धीरे पॉलिटिकल क्लब्स मीटिंग पॉइंट बनने लगे लोगों के लिए. द मोस्ट सक्सेसफुल ऑफ दीज क्लब्स वॉज दैट ऑफ द Jacobins, which got its name from the former convent of Saint Jacob in Paris. As we have seen in the previous video, that there was a war between France and Austria and Prussia. And during that time, people gathered at one place to talk about the war. And in this manner, slowly and gradually, they formed some political clubs. And out of these clubs, one club was the Jacobin Club, which got its name from the former convent of Saint Jacob in Paris. The members of the Jacobin Club included small shopkeepers, artisans such as shoemakers, pastry cooks, watchmakers, painters, as well as servants and daily wage workers. Means all the lower middle class people were the members of the Jacobin Club. Sans-culottes. To set themselves apart from fashionable society, especially nobles, and to end their power, Jacobins decided to start wearing long striped trousers similar to those worn by dock workers. We can see here the way they are wearing long striped pants. These Jacobins came to be known as the sans-culottes, literally meaning those without knee breeches. Normally in ancient time, people wear breeches on the pants like the horse rider wears. Sans-culottes men wore in addition the red cap, as we can see that in the picture, that symbolized liberty. If they were wearing red cap, it means they are declaring that they are free. Republic, France. On the morning of August 10, 1792, the Jacobins, angered by the short supply and high price of food, stormed the palace of the Tuileries. They massacred the king's guards and held the king himself as hostage for several hours. Hostage means उसको बंदी बना के रख लिया राजा. Later, the assembly voted to imprison the royal family. Elections were held. From now on, all men of 21 years and above, regardless of wealth, got the right to vote. The newly elected assembly was called the Convention. On 21st September 1792, it abolished the monarchy and declared France a republic. On 21st January 1793, after being charged of treason, Louis XVI was executed publicly at the Place de la Concorde. The Queen Marie Antoinette met with the same fate shortly after. Same fate मतलब उसको भी execute कर दिया गया. Thank you. Have a nice day.